Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings application and we're going to scroll all the way down to system. In here you'll find reset, and then at the bottom you have the last option, erase all data, factory reset. And when you press on it, it will give you a quick message that erase all data basically erases everything from your device, as the name would suggest, which includes your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Now, that being said, it's kind of BS because it doesn't actually erase your Google account, just removes it from the device itself, but the Google account still remains on a cloud and you can still relog into it later on, and it will contain everything that you would have on it before. So if you upload your photos to the cloud, those will still remain. So really the only thing that you should worry about is things like music, photos, and the user data, which is usually the more unique parts of the data that we will put on the device, specifically photos, for instance, and user data. So if you want, make a backup copy of it before you begin. And assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, you can select erase all data, do that once more, and get blocked by the timer, or not timer, but get blocked by the percentages. Because I only have 10%, I cannot reset it. But once you would press on this button the second time, instead of that pop-up, the device would begin factory resetting itself. Now this process would take a couple minutes, about 2-3 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, you would be presented with the setup screen for your Android tablet, the same one that you've seen when you first got the device and turned it on for the very first time. So that's basically what would happen. Unfortunately, I cannot go through this because the battery's now at 10% even, so I just cannot go through it, but it's relatively simple. Just press the button once more and you're good to go. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.